Exploring with Ed and Edna in the wild.
Bouncing bananas! Look!
Those are yellow baboons, Ed.
They've come to greet us.
Hello!
Is he waving or scratching?
Scratching. But see, he's staring straight at us.
Look how nosy they are.
Well, they've probably never seen a pipship before.
Do you think they'll mind having their photo taken?
No harm in trying.
Smile! They seem rather laid back.
Very sociable. A big, happy family. Very adaptable, too.
Adaptable? Meaning?
They live in a wide variety of habitats.
Habitats, which means their homes?
Exactly. From savannas to forests and mountains, as long as they're near water.
Look, a troop of kids monkeying around.
Hey, three's a crowd. Did I tell you? Fun's their middle name.
Whoa!
Come on, Ed.
What? Monkey see, monkey do.
Hardly. Look how agile they are. See how they move about on all fours? They're as elastic as a rubber band.
Whoops! Well, do I get points for trying?
Sure, 5 out of 10.
5? Come on. How about at least a silver star for spirit? Whoa!
Bravo! Now what are you doing?
I see them scratching, so I'm scratching.
Easy on the monkey see, monkey do, Ed. They're grooming each other, and I'm certainly not going to start grooming you.
Come on, Eppa. Where's your sense of adventure?
Grooming means they're picking fleas and ticks out of each other's fur and eating them.
Ugh! Eating fleas? That's it. Cut the scratching.
Look!
Oh, yes!
He's heading for lower ground. Let's follow.
Aye, aye, Captain. Are we going to dive?
In a flash!
Now that's what I call kicking back and soaking up some sun.
Oh, sweet. Come to say hello.
They're very loving.
Good family spirit, especially considering there can be up to 180 of them in a group.
Gosh, a lot of mouths to feed.
Which is why most of their day is spent foraging for food.
So what do they eat, besides fleas?
Let's see. Fruit,
Fruit's good for you.
flowers, tubers, grass,
Tasty.
termites, beetles, ants, reptiles, birds, and small animals.
Yummy. I can hardly contain my appetite.
They travel out in the morning searching for food. At about midday, they turn around and forage back home again.
So it's like breakfast, lunch and supper non-stop?
With enough time in between for a bit of exercise or quiet contemplation.
Like that lone one over there. Perfect portrait material. I'll call it Me and My Tail. Come on, Eppa, you've got to see this.
I'm right behind you.
Hey there, fella. Whoops.
Mind you don't lose your grip.
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
Hey, Ed.
And one more smile. Cheers. Yeah?
Let's go and see what's happening at the waterhole.
Excellent idea. They're a rowdy lot.
Now, whereas the females stay behind, the males at about the age of 6 go off to start new families.
Well, I'm about 6. That means I could start a family of my own.
Easy, Tiger. Where are you going to start a family out here?
Watch. It's all about relationships. Excuse me, ma'am.
Looks like you scared her off, Ed.
Please, give me some space. You're cramping my style.
The watering hole is all yours.
So I was thinking of looking for a family of my own, and maybe you'd like to, get a drink of water. Is anyone out there interested in being in a family with me? Come on.
You're all out of luck, Ed. The babies stay with their mums for at least a year. But it was a great effort.
Maybe they were struggling to understand me.
Come in, Pipship. Come in. Could be. You'd have to learn how to speak baboon if you want to make an impression.
And how exactly do you speak baboon?
Oh, oh, oh.
That's how.
Well, why didn't you say so?
I didn't want to cramp your style.
Where to now?
Let's go looking in the treetops. See, they're picking fruit.
Can you get us in for a closer look?
Sure. Looks like we're giving him a bit of a headache.
How about flying out over the savannah?
So they sleep in trees at night, safe from predators.
Such as?
Lions, hyenas, leopards, even snakes. But look at this!
Slow it down. Bouncing bananas.
Shot of the century!
Did you see that amazing strength?
His whole body perfectly balanced. Satisfy your expectations?
And some. Nice shooting, partner. Just one more sighting.
I'm looking.
There!
Adventure beckons. Are you ready for it?
You bet! Now with the sunset like that, you can't go wrong.
Tell me, Ed, why do baboons gaze up at the night?
I don't know. Why?
They're looking for the man in the moon.
Click on the videos above to see more amazing animals. And be sure to subscribe.